We're about to recreate this hard copy worksheet into something virtual. Okay, first things first, we're going to recreate that flower image. So we're going to find clip art that matches. Once we find a picture that we like, we're just going to copy that image over to our presentation. We also need a sun clip art, so we're going to go ahead and go copy that over as well. So we're going to recreate our shapes by using the shape tool. You're going to choose which one you want. Go ahead and make it the size that you want. I like to copy and paste my squares just so that they're all about the same size. Now we need to recreate those arrows using the arrow tool. Notice that there are other ones like line, elbow connector, and whatnot that you also can choose from. You also should edit the thickness and the color to your liking. Our boxes had text on the side of them, so we're going to use that square with the T in it for text box and add in that text. So at this point, we're finished with everything that we do not want students to be able to move. So at this point, we want to set this image as our background so that students cannot move it. We do that by going to download and downloading it as an image. Okay, then for demonstration purposes, I'm creating a new slide and I'm going to set that background as the image we just downloaded. By setting it as the background, students can no longer move any of those things that we just set as the background. To contrast, I will show you our earlier slide that we made where everything can be moved. We do not want students to be able to do this because then they will get very confused and mess everything up. Now we'll create our word bank using text boxes if you'd like, or you can also use the shape tool and type within the shape itself. Here I'm just testing out what it would look like. I feel like that looks ugly, so I'm going to adjust my settings using the line tool up there. And voila, it looks totally different now. To make sure everything is the same size, I'm just copying and pasting a new one. Just make sure everything is the same size. Now that our word bank is finished, I'm going to show you how it would work. So students will be able to click and drag that text box that you just made, but they will not be able to move anything in the background. If you have words or items that students will be able to use more than one time, once you finish your word bank, you're just going to select them all, you're going to copy, and you're going to paste it directly on top of the first layer. So now as you can see, when they put the sunlight, there's still another one behind it that they could put elsewhere. This would be really helpful if you choose to do this in math or some other subjects.